Check it out. Another mod, another partnership. Thank you, Nathan from AutoID. Well, we've got our carbon fiber spoiler. And in this video, we're going to be installing this carbon fiber rear spoiler by TRE from AutoID. AutoID is an exclusive distributor for the TRE carbon fiber components. And yeah, this is pretty amazing actually. Really well done. Quality is great. The carbon fiber weaving is really consistent and pretty good actually. It's very close to OEM. OEM is a little bit different. If you look at the carbon fiber roof, the weaves are slightly different, but this is quite nice. It's really well done. In the package, the way it comes up, it's quite ready to install right away. It's got like a 3M strip at the back that allows you to take the existing spoiler off, clean out the excess glue, and peel this off and stick it onto the rear trunk lid. So in the last video we did wheels, and now it's time for some aero bits. So I've decided to partner up with AutoID to make this build happen. They've got a nice kit by TRE that was going to really work for this, but working with Nathan, he's sending over parts that are currently available while they develop the other parts of it. So this one is the trunk spoiler. Oh, it's so light. Wow, check this out. TRE spoiler from AutoID. This is the TRE logo. Quite nice. It's like Christmas all over, huh? Wow, look at the quality of this carbon fiber. I almost don't want to take it out of the packaging. Wow, check out the detail. Look at the carbon weave. That's super cool. Again, will be installed with 3M tape. Let's see how this looks on the car. To help me with the install, we're having Jeff, aka Oldspoon, to come out this way to help me out. Oh, sounds like Jeff is here. Let's go check it out.
This is what I was telling you about for impact.
Came prepared.
Yeah, this tub.
What's in the tub?
Well, today, the magical wheel and some compound and polish if there's a bunch of stuff under that spoiler. That's about it.
Cool. Well, thanks for helping out today, man.
Of course, man. Oh boy.
Is this the first time you've seen it?
With the new wheels, yeah.
Looks good, eh?
Man, the color is like unreal. It suits the car so well.
Yeah. I'm so happy it turned out that way. The only thing I'm not happy about is the ride height.
Yeah, you've been saying that though.
Yeah.
Do you notice a difference in the wheel weight from stock?
Oh yeah.
Big time, eh?
Big. Oh, like they're 19 and 20s for stock.
Yeah.
But 2021 from Edelweiss with these wheels and with these tires, they're so much lighter.
It feels like I shred 1,000 pounds.
Yeah,
when I put the Edelweiss on the first time from stock.
Yeah, like putting them on was so much easier than the stock ones. The stock ones are hard. Like they get heavy.
Driving, you feel like there's a
lot of
palpable weight loss.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, the color's so good.
We've got the little, what do you call this, polishing tool?
If needed.
If needed. This is going to be combined with this guy to help with removing the glue, the fishing line to initially start off the removal process, And then ceramic spray.
If we want to protect that new lip of yours,
Oh yeah.
that's optional.
Yeah.
And this is our polishing stuff in case it leaves a bunch of scratches.
Residue behind.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow, they put some serious amount of tape underneath there. There you go. Stock one. I don't understand the purpose behind the stock one, eh?
And this is the aftermath.
Ugh. Lots of glue left over. Wow.
Near the end. But, and it's going to sound terrible. Fair warning.
Okay.
I'll do the best right there.
Oh, it smells good.
It smells good. You see, that's what it leaves right there.
And that's the stuff that we want to polish out after.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
Or if you want to spend the next 2 hours here together, we can start doing this.
No, let's just polish it after. Change of plans. We parked the car outside, so all of that dust and stuff like that is not going to be spread all across in the garage area. So let's move on over. Kind of cool. Alright, that finishes taking out the glue. Take a look at this. A lot of it is taken out. There's some residue left behind. We're going to try and polish that out, right?
Yeah.
We'll use some tape to mark where we want the wing to be. Is it good on your side?
Yep, it's right where the
Okay,
point is.
so we start peeling.
Yeah, just slowly so you
And there it is. Lip or spoiler? Is it spoiler or lip?
I think it's an interchangeable. It identifies as a lip.
So that's done.
This looks good, man. It looks really good. That looks awesome. Just getting 20 horsepower.
Yeah. That looks good. Quality's good. Oh, that's amazing. We finally installed the lip. It looks pretty awesome. Thank you, Jeff, who's hiding away. He doesn't want to be on camera, but thanks to his help, we got this installed. It looks quite amazing. Thank you, AutoID. Yeah, look forward to the other parts to come in. It's gonna be pretty epic. So I can't wait. Carbon fiber lip or spoiler arrived. It was well packaged. Within it was the carbon fiber part, and there was a small package here as well. So let's take a look at what's inside of it. A little scent piece here so you can hang it in your car. Oh, it smells good. Very strong though. Very cool. I guess this is the primer. We forgot to use this in our install, but this is this type of stuff that will come with your carbon fiber bits. got a black AutoID sticker. We'll stick it somewhere on the car. But yeah, it's nice. Two-way tape.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Because that lighting is something else. Yeah, that's what I thought.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Do you have a YouTube channel? That lighting is something else. Anyways, let's continue on with the video. What else is in here? Wait. We get candy? We get candy? Nathan, man, what's the hell this? Is this a thing that happens in Europe? I got European candy. Look at that. Mwam. Cool. Damn, you're not helping me with my diet plans, eh? I guess I'll save it for the weekend. That's awesome. I appreciate that little care package, Nathan. Good little detail. I'll share this with my daughter, so I appreciate that. Either way, I think all in all, pretty awesome little bit for the price point, and I think it's a great add-on to the G87 M2. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments below. I think it looks really good. It actually transforms the car for me. It just has this muscular presence when you look at it from behind. So I think it looks good. It's a bit overpowering when you compare it to the front, and the front is missing something. And then, as I mentioned before, we have a whole bunch of aero bits coming as well. We've got a front lip, we've got a side skirt, and a little thing behind the rear wheels as well. And I think that's going to complete the package, and it's going to balance out the rear and the front. But that is what it is. It's just a matter of time. I think some of the other aero bits are supposed to arrive sometime in the July timeframe, probably first or second or third week. They don't quite know. The manufacturing process is just beginning. They just completed the design and the renderings and things like that. And that's what I place my order based on as well. I'm really looking forward to this journey to work with you, Nathan, at AutoID. We have a lot more to do with the car, a lot more parts to arrive. And once it's all set up and done, it's going to be dialed in, looking great for impact. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments below, and let's stay tuned for the next mod. Thank you all for watching.